Hello friends and followers, here's the RL01 in the Yaesu FT-102. So I thought, what the heck, I'll try and clean this relay out. So the way I do it, I put some detoxant on. Well, I put a piece of paper in there, as you can see. And you can press the relay down very gently, get the paper in there. On the bottom side, you can also press it down. There's this relay here, the number of it. So anyway, you want to get the paper in there, so you can do that, and then spray some detoxant on the paper, because if you put detoxant on the relay first, the paper gets soaked, and sometimes you can't navigate the paper. So that's kind of what I do, and yeah, it might work. We'll see. Might make it worse. I don't know. I guess we're gonna find out. Put this back in and see if I get better receive. I kind of doubt it, but you never know. You got to give things a try, right? So I do have this thing socketed, and right now I have both of these relays out. That's where they go, right there, and I'll shove them back in there and see what happens. Yeah, the sockets have kind of been a bummer in a way, because they're another point of resistance, but you can get the relays out, no problem. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.